the very inception of Pakistan, the need for an air force that could neither be coerced nor outmatched was clearly understood. The mandate laid by Father of the Nation was clear: build an air force that would be second to none. Pakistan Air Force internalized this vision not merely as guidance, but as doctrine. The ideal articulated by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the compass that shaped PF's character: professional, resolute, and uncompromising. These ethos were tested and reaffirmed on 27 February 2019 when Pakistan Air Force demonstrated to the world that resolve, preparation, and precision prevail over provocation. Operation Swift Retort was not a reaction, it was a statement. The operation marked more than a tactical success. It underscored decades of institutional discipline, operational clarity, and strategic foresight. It reflected an air force that does not improvise under pressure, but executes with confidence, drawn out of relentless preparation. In recent years, Pakistan Air Force has undergone an unprecedented transformation. Under the guidance of its bold and visionary leadership, PAF has swiftly evolved to take on the challenges of modern multi-domain warfare. Advanced aerial platforms, long-range strike capabilities, unmanned combat systems, and the seamless integration of cyber, space, electronic warfare, and artificial intelligence have redefined modern warfare. Through quick modernization of its operational concepts, swift induction of niche capabilities, and indigenization of key elements of its skill chain, these capabilities are no longer experimental concepts. They are fully operational pillars of PF's warfighting architecture, reaffirming the resolve of every member of Pakistan Air Force to safeguard the sovereignty of the motherland. Yet again, in May 2025, Pakistan Air Force, under unified command, responded with speed, precision, and decisive coordination to unprovoked Indian aggression. In a calibrated yet decisive response, PF once again manifested its professional prowess. Through immaculately choreographed and intricately synchronized multi-domain operations, integrated into a homegrown kill chain, Pakistan Air Force shot down several frontline IAF fighter aircraft, obliterated India's prized S-400 air defense shield, and with precision struck at key IAF bases as well as command and control nodes. The operation demonstrated not only reach and lethality, but also PF's dominance across kinetic and non-kinetic domains alike. PF's warfighting niche is now structured on homegrown technologies, while poised on a future-focused trajectory. Alhamdulillah, today, Pakistan Air Force is well consolidated to achieve decisive effects with assured success. This evolution is anchored in a singular truth: technology alone does not win wars. Trained minds and disciplined warriors do. Training remains the lifeblood of PF's combat readiness. Its doctrines, methodologies, and standards are benchmarked globally. Continuous refinement of operational training, exposure to international best practices, and participation in high-end multinational exercises have ensured that PF's air warriors remain agile, adaptive, and future-ready. Education, innovation, and leadership development have forged a human resource capable of mastering the most complex dimensions of contemporary warfare. Parallel to modernization, Pakistan Air Force has embarked on a determined journey towards self-reliance. Indigenization is no longer aspirational. It is an operational reality. Through a growing national aerospace ecosystem supported by state-of-the-art science and technology parks, PF is embedding sustainability into its combat power. Indigenous solutions and integrated operational frameworks are ensuring long-term resilience and strategic autonomy. This pursuit of self-reliance extends beyond military strength. It fuels technological growth, strengthens national capacity, and reinforces Pakistan's security architecture. Through recent operations, Pakistan Air Force has once again demonstrated its capability to hit with precision and at will, keeping adversary off balance and shocked. The message is unambiguous. Pakistan's sovereignty and defense remain inviolable. 7 years since Operation Swift Retort, the skies over Pakistan remain secure. Not by chance, but by design and determination. Pakistan Air Force today stands as a fully integrated, future-ready, multi-domain force capable of delivering decisive effects across the entire spectrum of conflict. Its strength lies not only in hardware alone, but in purpose and professional ethos. Refined in peace and forged in conflict, PAF has risen stronger through continuous transformation. Today, we stand much stronger, more capable, and firmly determined. Let no one challenge the sovereignty and pride of this nation again. We will be hitting much harder and far deeper. PAF was, it is, and will always remain second to none. Inshallah. Strong Pakistan Air Force for a strong nation. Pakistan Air Force, a symbol of pride for the nation.